Headlights wink slow, thoughts levitate. Windows crack, smoke crawling like a snake. Hashtag rear view catches my escape. City sleeps, but I'm awake. Silent roads, my mind's elate. Ripples of a dream, no need to fake. Steady hands, wheel feels like fate. Empty streets, just me in the night. Clouds roll thick, I'm feeling alright. Music down low, stars in my sight. Midnight cruise, my soul takes flight. Midnight cruise, my soul takes flight. The pavement glows, gold veins in the tar. Breath fogs the glass, I'm a drifting star. No map, no plans, just the pull of a far. Life's a blunt puff, slow, don't burn it too hard. Echoes of the past try to tag along, but the bassline hums keep my focus strong. Memories of DJ spinning my wrongs, but I remix the pain, make it a calm song. Empty streets, just me in the night. Clouds roll thick, I'm feeling alright. Music down low, stars in my sight. Midnight cruise, my soul takes flight. Midnight cruise, my soul takes flight. Dashboard glows like a comet in the dark. Shadows stretch long like tales from the heart. Wind whispers secrets, the engine sparks in the quiet. I find where I start, every turn's a lesson, every mile's art. Empty streets, just me in the night. Clouds roll thick, I'm feeling alright. Music down low, stars in my sight. Midnight cruise, my soul takes flight. Midnight cruise, my soul takes flight. Yeah, empty streets. Empty streets.
Balcony throne, crowns that snap back low. City on below, a neon afterglow. Smoke spirals rise, lazy snakes in the air. Street lights blinking like the world don't care. Asphalt slower, common tail in the night. Moon wings slide, yeah, she sharing the light. Fingers tap rail, rhythm syncs with my chest. This moment right here, man, it's better than the rest. Balcony glow, my peace, my zone. World's out there, but I'm here alone. Exhale clouds, let the silence grow. Balcony glow, yeah, the world moves slow. Balcony glow, my peace, my zone. World's out there, but I'm here alone. Exhale clouds, let the silence grow. Balcony glow, yeah, the world moves slow. Flicker the wrist, flame sparks a new page. Time moves funny, got me lost in the haze. Skyscrapers lean, whisper secrets they know. I'm just a passenger, watching a show, yeah. Buzz of the phone, I ain't picking it up. This vibe too rare, can't pour it in a cup. Thoughts run deep like graffiti on trains. Paint splash wild, but it still explains. A balcony glow, my peace, my zone. World's out there, but I'm here alone. Exhale clouds, let the silence grow. Balcony glow, yeah, the world moves slow. Yeah, the world moves slow. Pressure cooking, but I let the steam fly. Clouds in my lungs, now I'm floating sky high. Clock ticking slow, so I'm stepping on glide. Pacing with the moon, got the stars on my side. City on whisper, streets sing a soft tune. Palm trees waving, shadows dancing with the moon. Cool breeze kissing while the world's out of sync. Stress drip drip like the sweat off my drink. Ease it out, yeah. Let the weight off my chest. Moonlight beams, feeling light, I'm blessed. No rush, no race, just vibe and rest. Tonight's my time, no more, no less. Ease it out, let the weight off my chest. Moonlight beams, feeling light, I'm blessed. No rush, no race, just vibe and rest. Tonight's my time, no more, no less, yeah. Puff, puff, pass, we don't measure by the clock. Each inhale a step off this pressure cooked rock, yeah. Midnight confession, stars hear my thoughts. Truth spills easy when the world's at a stop. Got my crew, got my peace, got my herbal release. Troubles turn vapor floating off in the breeze. Dreams in my pocket, but tonight I don't chase. Life's a long road, I'm enjoying the space, yeah. They say grind, they say shine, they say never sleep. But the moonlight whispers secrets the sun won't keep. The sun won't keep.
Moonlight creeping, city on slow. Street lights hum, they got secrets to show. Flick the big, let the ember glow. My mind's a kite, caught a westward flow. Palm trees nod and they know the code. Memory lanes, a winding road. Old school beats in the marrow of my bones. Every puff's a bridge to the unknown. Slow it down, let the night drift. Clouds rise up, let the mind live. Roll one, burn one, let the world shift. Catch the vibe, let the night drip. Ashtray full like a diary's truth. Thoughts spill out like uncaged youth. Smoke signals curl in the rhythm of proof. Time stretches thin and the stars cut loose. Clock ticks off, it don't chase me. Eyes half closed but the vision HD. Slipping on silence, let the calm embrace me. Waves in my head and they crash so wavy. Night air heavy thick like syrup. Brain in orbit, no need to stir up. Just ride, let the thoughts swirl up.
Stress hanging heavy, shoulders sag low, clock ticking, mind spinning, time moving slow. Ay, ashtray crowded, ghost of the day, phone buzz silent, nothing left to say. Windows crack, cool breeze creeping, city hum faint, the whole block sleeping. Night fades slow, let the silence grow. Smoke curls up where the moonlight glows. Stress drips down like the ash we blow. Let it all go, let it all go. Yeah, let it all go, let it all go. Yeah, couch sunken deep, world feel distant, every exhale a prayer. Smoke twisting, thoughts drift light like clouds on a mission. Yesterday's weight lost in the transition. Jazz hum soft from a crackling groove. Nod to the beat, let my soul find its move. Night fades slow, let the silence grow. Smoke curls up where the moonlight glows. Stress drips down like the ash we blow. Let it all go, let it all go. Inhale peace, exhale the static. Time feels elastic, the vibes cinematic. Stars up high, city lights glow low. Canvas of calm where my mind can't flow. Memories dissolve, mist in the air. The weight of the world, I don't even care. Eyes half closed, visions replay. Future feels brighter, but I'm cool where I lay. Moments like this, they don't last long, but they stitch up the soul like a quiet song. tap dancing on the window, slow steps, fingers trace the glass, mind drowning in depths. Ashtray full, dreams circling the ceiling fan, couch worn thin, same spot where my healing began. Yeah. Rolling papers, edges frayed like my patience. Lit the spark, now my thoughts vacation in basements. Deep in the haze, time folds like fresh linen. Outside the storm rages, but in here I'm grinning. Rain on the glass, let it pour, let it pour. Stress drip, drip, can't find me no more. Smoke rise slow, watch it dance, watch it sway. It's the sound of my worries floating away. Rain on the glass, let it pour, let it pour. Feet up, weight gone, left it all at the door. Smoke rise slow, watch it dance, watch it sway. It's the sound of my troubles drifting away. Clouds low, sky painted shades of charcoal. World outside muted, my soul hits the console. Old record spinning, scratches telling their stories. Melody wraps me like blankets warm and hoary. Phone on silent, ain't no calls breaking the peace. Breeze sneaks in, whisper secrets from the streets. Eyes half closed, I'm floating in the rhythm sway. Rain keeps the tempo, washing yesterday away. Ashtray full, dreams spilling over the brim. Clock ticking slow, world dimmer than a hymn. Curtains drawn, city hum tucked in my ears. Quiet like a monk, piece sharper than spears and mirrors. Smoke signals rising, calm in the haze. Night unfolds softly, blurring my gaze. Breathing in the stillness, no need to chase. Peace found in silence, yeah. No words to waste, yeah. Vinyl crackle mood wrapped in analog warmth. Lighter flick, shadow shifting back and forth. Couch sinking deep, body molding to the frame. Thoughts run hurried, untamed, no pain. Time drips thick, molasses in the air. Weight of the day dissolves, no despair. My smoke signals rising, calm in the haze. Night unfolds softly, blurring my gaze. Breathing in the stillness, no need to chase, yeah. Peace found in silence, yeah. No words to waste, yeah. Window pane sweating, moonlight drawing lines. Clock hands forget me, no reason to mind. The hum of my thoughts, baseline in my chest. Moments like this, the world feels blessed, Head clouded, mind loud as a riot scene. Thoughts tangled like wires in a busting machine. Breath shallow, chasing shadows in a dream. Pause, inhale, the world tastes like evergreen. Clock ticking, but I ain't tryna race it. Life's a blunt, take the time to embrace it. Sip slow, watch the smoke twist and twirl. Floating through the cosmos, past this big old world. Clear the air, let it roll, let it glide. Peace in the rhythm, let the worry subside. Clear the air, no rush, no fight. Just me, my thoughts, and the glow of the night, yeah. Skyscrapers crumble in my periphery. Concrete turns soft, feel like calligraphy. Heartbeat steady like a metronome click. Life slows down, the seconds don't stick. Feet up, in my zone, no stress to borrow. Yesterday's gone, don't care about tomorrow. Ashtray full, mind getting lighter. Thoughts burn slow, the flame grows brighter. Ain't no rush, nah, ain't no sprint. World's a canvas, every moment supreme.